Okay, here's my video review of Minichamps and Tamiya. Both are scaled on 1:12. Okay, I have the box here on my. Okay, this is the Minichamps on the RC211B Makoto Tamada, and the Tamiya Masterworks collection. Okay. Tells a little bit history of the bike, okay? Written by Max Biaggi in 2003, okay? Some are written in English and also in Japanese because I bought this item in Japan, so I was not surprised that some are written in Japanese. Okay. Since this is a die-cast, the Minichamp is made of die-cast. Expect that it's quite heavy. Not unlike with Tamiya, basically it's made of plastic, so it's quite light. It's lighter, something light. I don't know, more than half the weight of Minichamps. Okay, the color of the Minichamps is quite pale compared to Tamiya. Okay, I hope that you can see the difference, but the color of the Tamiya is more lively. Okay, the panels, the gaps between the panels on the Minichamps is very noticeable. See, because these are made of die cast, so expect that the gaps are there. It means say that it's unavoidable, in my opinion, that you can have a very good. You can squeeze the gap between the panels so tight with the die cast. Not unlike with Tamiya, which is made of plastic. The gaps on the fairings or in the panels are tight. See, it's very nice. And also the color of the frame and the swing arm with Tamiya, they are a little bit shiny. Okay, something like in the real life, this will look like a polished aluminum or a chrome. They're too shiny. They are too unrealistic in color in terms with the color of the frame and swing arm. But with Minichamps, okay, they were able to get the real color of the swing arm and the frame, in my opinion. Yeah. With Tamiya, with the Minichamps, you can move the wheels. I mean, they are movable. Okay, you can move the rear wheel and the front wheels because the forks does have springs. Okay, they're loaded with springs. You can move them back and forth. Not unlike with Tamiya, the forks are fixed. They don't have any springs inside. So does the rear wheel. They're fixed. Okay, you can't move them. The seat of Tamiya, I love them. They are rough. They're not slippery. You can feel that it's made of rubber, just like with the MotoGP. With the Minichamp, they're shiny and they're slippery. You can feel that it's made of plastic. I even tried to feel the other models of Minichamps. They feel the same thing. I mean, they feel the same kind of material. They look like plastic. Not unlike with Tamiya. You can feel that it's really made of rubber. Okay. What I like with generally with Tamiya is how they detailed every parts of it. Okay, we'll start with the brake calipers. With Tamiya, you will see that the caliper is a one whole piece. Okay, the front calipers are there. Okay, it's a one piece. Okay. Okay, that's the Tamiya. Now, try to look at the Minichamp. The Minichamp is really weird. You won't see the other half of the caliper. Inside, there's nothing. It's empty. You won't see the other half of the caliper. So does the rear wheel. The rear caliper. Oh, see that one? It's empty. It's nothing. It's missing the other half. It's missing the other half. And also the one thing with the Minichamp is their how may I say this? It's their brake lines. After the brake lines is connected directly to the caliper. Okay. See this one? Okay. Not unlike with Tamiya. Tamiya, they have this metal, the metal thing that connects the brake hose to the caliper. It's there. See? Okay. And also on the rear wheel or the rear caliper. But what I don't like about Tamiya is that they used a quite not too proportionate brake lines. Okay, in my opinion, these are quite big, front and rear. Okay, the brake lines are too thick. Not unlike with Minichamps, they were able to use fine material or fine plastic or whatever it is. Most probably it's a plastic. It's very fine. Okay, it's fine material. Okay, no, not the back, but on the front. Front is okay. Okay, the disc brakes. You will see here with the Minichamp that the disc brakes are pale in color. Okay, you want to see that the disc brakes are carbon look like. The worst part is in the back. It's not even dark. It's not even black. Black in color. Looks like metal. I don't know. That doesn't look like even a stainless steel disc brakes. But with Tamiya, the color and the texture looks like a carbon disc brake. So that's the rear disc brakes. Okay, they had these grains. It's not smooth, and you can see the grains on the disc brakes. On the wheels, okay, they had this very small decal. I don't know if we could focus it. I hope that we can focus it. They had this very small detail of the decal somewhere on the wheels that's saying that it's a Marchesini mag wheels. I don't know, let's try to see this one. Okay. The phone couldn't focus. Okay, anyway, there's a small decal on the rims. Okay, this says Marchesini mag wheels. But on the Minichamps, nothing was there. Okay, except that the markings on the tire that says Bridgestones. Okay, And also with Tamiya, there's the Michelin Pilot. Okay. With the Minichamps, okay. In terms with the color of their exhaust manifold, I love them. We could try to move this one, remove this thing. Okay. 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 Here we go. The color of Minichamps manifolds is so beautiful. They were able to replicate, not that very accurate, but somehow near to the accurate the color of the titanium. It really looks like a titanium color, okay, except for the exhaust pipe. This is I think it's a stainless steel in real life, or maybe it's a titanium, but it's shiny. But the color is not the same with the bottom part, and also on the closest part to the engine, which really looks like a titanium. But with Tamiya, if we can see it here, I hope that we can see it here. Oh, the color of its exhaust manifold, it's called, looks like a matte color. Okay, doesn't even looks like a metallic, but it's matte. It's matte in color, something like a light brown, or I don't know. That's how it looks like. It's bad. Anyway, you won't see the color of the exhaust pipe the exhaust manifold. I mean, once you remove the lower fairing of the bike, okay, you won't see it. The detail of the handlebars with Tamiya is very detailed. Okay, you can see the levers, the hand grips, the brake reservoir, okay, and the clutch levers, okay, and the left grips, the right grips, handlebars, okay. Everything is well detailed in proportion. But with Minichamp, the handlebars or the hand grips are short. Okay, they're fat. Even the brake reservoir are big. They're huge. Okay, something like in reality, this will looks like the size of a cup, size of a teacup. I don't know. It's still big in my opinion. Okay. Okay. The engine detail of the Minichamp is not that bad. Okay, except that this very noticeable screws on the frame and which connects the engine. They are too noticeable. Okay, not unlike with Tamiya, they have these small screws. They were using small screws as much as possible. Okay, see, even if we try to remove the fairings, you won't see any big screws that connects with the engine. Okay, the panels for Tamiya are, I mean, the fairing are separated by 3 pieces. You have the left and the right panels, and then the bottom panel. But with Tamiya, you have these left and right panels. Okay. One good thing about with Tamiya, they have these small screws on the tank, which you can remove this tank cover and you can see the engine and even saw all other parts inside. Okay, that's a good good points for the Tamiya. So what will our judgment for these two scale models? If I have to choose between the two, I would choose the Tamiya, because aside from that, they're detailed very accurately. The colors are vibrant, okay, and the price is not that bad, because the price are both less than $100, just like with the Minichamps, okay, and they are not the Minichamp is I mean the Tamiya is well detailed. It would have a landslide vote for Tamiya. Okay, that's it for now, and thank you very much for watching my video. Okay, have a good day. Bye.